This is the Bicycle stand-up fireplace, and it comes in a package like this. So all you have to do is pull it out like this, and then it goes full size. This is like a prop for your living room or your holiday decorations, your storefront, and like that. That's how it folds out. And then the top here is perforated, so you just remove the perforation, just like that. And you can discard that. So then you have and stand up. You can just kind of set it there to decorate for the holidays if you don't have this fireplace. Put it here in the back. Voila! Very cute little decoration for a brick fireplace.